Front remains stable but needs constant vigilance. Apex level interactions, renewed contact, and confidence building measures are contributing to gradual normalization of situation that has also enabled grazing, hydrotherapy camps, and other activities along the northern borders. With our continued strategic orientation on this front, our deployment along the line of actual control remains balanced and robust. Concurrently, capability development and infrastructure enhancement are progressing through a whole of government approach. As regards the Western Front, हम लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल की बात करें तो लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कि आज की डेट पे इट नीड्स कांस्टेंट विजिल. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हम धीरे धीरे दोनों साइड्स अपना ट्रेस फैक्टर बढ़ाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. 21 अक्टूबर 24 को आपको पता है कि किस तरह का एक हम लोगों के बीच में अंडरस्टैंडिंग हुई थी. उसके पहले कजान में दोनों टॉप लीडर्स मिले थे, उसके बाद आई थिंक तियानजिन में मिले थे, और दोनों के बीच में इस टाइम के बीच में हमारी एसआर लेवल की मीटिंग्स हो चुकी हैं. उसी प्रकार से हमारी WMCC मीटिंग्स हो चुकी हैं, और इन सब उसके अलावा हमारे रक्षा मंत्री जी 2 बार मिल चुके हैं उनके रक्षा मंत्री जी से, हमारे फॉरेन मिनिस्टर मिल चुके हैं उनके फॉरेन मिनिस्टर से. So, since you spoke in English, I will answer in English hereafter. So, as a result, now what is happening that there is a kind of a sense of urgency and sense of acceptance from both the sides to keep the borders as calm, as quiet as possible. And how to go about it? How to go about it? Firstly, to keep the communication open. So now, what we have done that we have various levels of talking echelons. They speak to each other and make sure the minor issues are resolved at that place and not made into a major issue. So we have a station level meet, we have a CO level meet, and so on up till the Corps Commander. And wherever such meetings are not taking place, we have proposed in the Eastern Command also to have such meetings. The aim is to resolve the issue as early as possible, fast as possible, as amicable to both sides as possible. And this has actually drawn the results. And not many places, small misunderstanding could lead to problems. We have sat down together and solved the issue. This is how we are going about it. As far as the issues of the force reduction and force deployment is concerned, I would like to just say that it is a matter of time, space and resources. So what we look at, the forces should be placed in such a manner that they should be able to reach a particular deployment within the stipulated time and within the stipulated numbers. So that is something which we are looking at for the time being.